Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to download Clash of Clans bases and use them in your game. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced player, this step-by-step guide will help you save time and build a base that's ready for a battle. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open the Clash of Clans application. Clash of Clans has a super cool feature that let you download pre-designed base layout directly from your favorite creator or website. This is perfect if you are looking to upgrade your strategy or protect your village. So let's dive right in. The first step is to find the base layout you like. There are several websites and apps dedicated to the Clash of Clans bases. Some of the best ones are ClashChamp.com, Clash Ninja, Reddit forum and Discord communities. Browse through the different bases type, war bases, trophy bases, farming bases or hybrid bases and select one that suits your need. Once you have found a base you like, click on the copy link and copy layout button. Most websites will generate a unique link for the base. Make sure you have Clash of Clans installed on the same device as the link opens directly in the app. Now head to the Clash of Clans where you click the base link. When you click the base link, the game will automatically open and show you a preview of the layout. Here is what you need to do next. Tap load base, choose a slot to save the base, and that's it. The base is now saved in your layout editor. It's that simple. Now you can customize it further or use it as it is. And that's it. Downloading Clash of Clans base is quick, easy and game changer.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.